The Vango Sherwood 400XL is a 4-man Powerflex Fibreglass poled tent with an integrated front awning that adds additional living space. This spacious 4-man tent has villa construction and an extended living area, perfect for socialising or storing kit. The Sherwood is part of Vango's XL collection, which features a highly waterproof and durable 150D embossed fabric, boasting a 5,000mm hydrostatic head. This is in a lovely forest green colour. The XL collection also utilises Vango's ColourLok technology, designed to increase fabric colour retention against UV light. Features include king-size midnight bedrooms, a premium darkened fabric used in bedrooms to allow for a great and comfortable night's sleep with plenty of space. The Sherwood package also comes with an additional ground sheet protector, which helps extend the life and ground sheet of your tent.